Washington, D.C. to beautiful Shanghai, China, where my global 888 lucky beer journey began.
Shanghai,
This song
is for you.
As a little boy in Haiti, China lived inside my dreams. Bruce Lee,
Jackie Chan,
showed me worlds I wanted to discover.
I knew one day I'd cross the ocean blue, carrying one small dream and bringing it to you.
Craft beer lovers in Brooklyn,
New York,
Annapolis, Maryland, Washington, D.C.
who tasted 888 lucky beer.
Love it, every smile gave me courage. Then I flew across the sea, in Shanghai, China welcomed me.
The jet lag made me sleepy and tired, but my heart burned with fire.
Shanghai,
China,
you made me believe
888 lucky beer
belongs on the global stage. Shanghai, forever,
One city, one journey.
forever in my heart.
You welcome a stranger.
Like family from the start, I came with
888 lucky beer.
I left
Shanghai,
ready for the global tours. Shanghai,
China,
my first big show in Asia. A booth, a dream,
88 lucky beer.
a lot of hope, every handshake opened doors.
Every smile made me dream.
Every promise whispered softly.
Come back again.
Shanghai,
China,
you became the first chapter
of a dream.
the world would know.
Shanghai, you welcome me.
Different voices,
Different lands,
one friendship.
one heart.
Shanghai, forever,
Where my China dream began.
one city, one journey.
Forever in my heart.
Shanghai, forever, you welcomed a stranger.
With kindness from the start.
The bun still shines beside the river. The Huangpu,
Still carries dreams.
the Oriental pearl, touches heaven. Nanjing Road,
Still lives and breathes.
you got and keeps old memories.
Sintiandi,
Still laughs with friends.
every street has its story.
Every road leads to 888 lucky beer. Shanghai, China, thank you for opening the doors for
88 lucky beer.
Shanghai, China.
88 lucky beer.
Haiti gave me roots, Africa gave me,
The guitar sound,
Jamaica gave me,
the rhythm,
America gave me,
the opportunity.
China gave me friendship.
Shanghai, China, forever.
Hey! One city,
One journey.
forever in my heart.
Shanghai, China. Today I return.
Not only with
888 lucky beer.
I return with music
Tim dot life Konpa.
to share my gratitude, my love.
Shanghai, China, forever.
Yes, I am back, not with containers or contracts.
I return,
With a white guitar,
playing the Konpa.
my Manmi Selo,
And my Papi Dodo.
love to dance to everyone.
Living in Shanghai
This song
is my gift to you.
to everyone living far away,
From Shanghai, China,
or who still dreams
of Shanghai, China.
dance with me.
like family, forever.
Every village has a song,
Every family has a story,
every creator
deserves to be heard.
share your gift with the world.
Shanghai, China, forever.
Tim Live.